So here's how to move an Excel worksheet to another workbook. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up a new Excel file to where you want to copy. So for my case, I'm going with the blank workbook like that. And here is our new recently created workbook. So now, as you can see, this is my previous workbook. So now I want to copy all of these into new worksheet. So how you can do that? First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the bottom like this and simply right click on your mouse. And then from here, you need to select move or copy. Now, right after that, you need to go to book and select the newly created books. So as you can see, guys, this Excel file name is book 3. So we want to copy the book 1 to book 3. So for that reason, we need to move your cursor to the bottom like this and simply right click on the mouse. And now right after that, you need to tap on the move or copy and simply go and select the book 3 like that. And simply select the sheet 1 as this is the sheet 1. So right after that, simply go and select OK. So now as you can see, guys, we have successfully copied the previous workbook into the new workbook. Alright, so that's how you can simply move a worksheet to another workbook. So if this video helps you out, if yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.